computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new Rubinek Godot game dev stream. Today, we're gonna be looking at the bug we found yesterday. Yeah. And hopefully, we get to fix that today because it's been a pain in the ass. Okay, let's start showing the coding stuff, the hacking stuff. Yeah. Right, let's go. Let's do this. Gonna open. Yeah, I want to. There's some environments here. I mean, two that we're gonna use for streaming. And then we're gonna turn on the engine. Let's go. Engine turned on. All right, now we're doing this. Let's do this quick, fast. I want to get this bug fixed. This is a very, very ugly bug. I don't know what's happening here, but we found off stream. I was looking into this, and in here, in device type manager, this is such a strange bug. When we return joy type, the joy type was a different oh gosh, we got another bot. Just ban the bot. Bot ban. Yeah. When we return 0 here, for some reason we fire some input events. I don't know what's happening. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan the code for map input event to type. So somewhere where this function is used, I don't know, it's used there. Somewhere where this function is used. For some reason we're firing input events that should not be fired. And are you serious? We use this function in two places. In here, actually, should be. Hold on, I should be able to just get the call stack, right? Hold on, where's my controller? Can I still replicate the bug here? Oh no, not right. I need to. The bug is right now covered. Okay, let's go. Let's try this again. Let's do this. We got this. Here, return J type. We just comment this out. This is what's bugging out the code. Hey, no, get out of here. The window pops up every time I stream, and I forget that it does. Okay, fine, that's fine. And I will fix my streaming setup real quick. Because my YouTube chat, I'm not able to see it. Well, I'm able to see it. I just want to be able to control it directly. And I need a custom browser dock in Twitch. I mean, in OBS. Twitch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know, it works. I have everything. All my platforms are there. And let's do this. All right. So back into the game. So we return now. If I move, oh yeah, there we go. In the events down here, I was just moving my joypad, and then bam, my joystick, and then we get these input event keys. This is bugging out the game. The prompts that we get, and we don't know where this is happening. So what I'm gonna do is in here, I'm just gonna print. Have that on utilities. So print stack trace. This should print everything, right? For me, what do we get? Yeah, it should print everything. So what I'm gonna do is just run, and we print the stack trace. Exit. And then when we get the first input, okay, so here. Yeah. Oh, no. Fun. Bam. Here. Print this. Device type manager. Generate texture. But gosh, no. Let me just filter this out real quick. If this is what I want. Now I see a bunch of events. Wait, what? Are all of these input event keys? Are you kidding me? Gosh, how can I? Okay, I think I'm gonna ask an AI because I'm not sure at all. Ask an AI really quick. Let's go. Okay, let me just add these changes. Even though I don't want any of these changes, I just want to keep track of the changes the AI does. So just scan the code. Oh, here I just need to give it these two files. Happening? What are you doing? No, the new agent. What the hell was happening there? Do the sign in. Got distracted for a second, and let's get back into the grind. Let's do this. Okay. So we're gonna ask the AI to look at these two files. Device texture path generator.gd Please check. I pasted. Oh yeah. Yeah, and where is it? Where is it? I just had it right here. Got it. And device type manager. Here's the bug. When the joystick and gamepad finishes moving for some reason, the code is generating an input. Okay, that is it happened difficultly when this is when type if I return, what if I return 1? Happen. Oh, hold on. Take off the. Wait, what? Where am I using the utilities? Printing. Are you still giving me the backtrace? Oh. I'm still getting. It's only. Wait. Why am I getting? That's okay. Yeah. It says physical false. When it's function. Device type manager singleton. Oh. See what the AI comes up with. You can see the issue already? What the hell? That's not the bug. Fuck. Oh, that makes sense. Are you serious? Mm. Six. What the fuck are you doing? I don't like that. That actually makes sense because all of these events come after the input event action. But it's strange because that's not... What? Hold on. First. Let's check the input action. Look at the documentation. Driving me crazy. Does not make any sense. Let's take it for a spin. Are you serious? Am I looking at these? What the hell is happening? Now I don't even do anything and I get these events. Hold on. It's because of this. I'm returning 1 here. It's because of this, probably. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? The AI did something. Whatever change the AI did. What? Go to okay, well, gamepad manager here. So it switched. Wonder if it's something here. We're still seeing those events. I'm just gonna put a return here and see what's happening. Anything. We're still seeing those events. I'm not touching the keyboard. Bam, input event key. What? What is happening? Whatever the AI did made it worse. No, I'm just not doing anything. What about the but yeah, the percent manager. I'm just gonna return 0 here. I'm gonna do anything, just gonna return 0 here. Hold on, I want the print. Yeah. Now I don't see the event. What if I return? Are you serious? No, she's built. What the fuck is happening? Wait, what? No, it's not happening. What about now? Now if I... What the fuck? Wait, is any of these codes a tool? You a tool, bro. No, you're not a tool. What the fuck is happening? Again, I see the event again. Now, I'm just gonna return 1 here. I see the event. What the hell just happened there? Gotta go away. Hold on. Let me just try this again. Yeah, the event's still there. Go away. Stop. That was on... Wait, that was on input event manager, right? I mean, no. What? 34? Get it input of it. I don't think this matters. I'm gonna do this. Still get the... Wait, I don't? That's okay. That's a... Oh, wait. It's again here. Is it the looping? Is it the fact that we loop over... No. Where is it? Is it here? Oh, gosh, where was I? It's not here. Device texture path generator. Here. Oh, here. Let's let it loop. I'm just gonna loop. Continue. What? Actually, just loop here. Don't do anything, just loop here. Hold on, I don't see anything. I don't see the event. I'm just gonna comment everything here. Oh, I'm being silly. I'm looking in the wrong spot. Okay. I am debugging the wrong code. Oh my god. Let's go back. Let's reset everything. I see what's happening now. I understand what's happening. Oh my god, I finally get it. I finally get it. I finally get what's happening. The usage of the map input event function is wrong. Yep. That's what's happening. Hello, Rylan Goldman. Do I recommend using a search help built-in doc in Godot to learn Godot? It depends on what stage you are. If you're just beginning, like very beginning level, no, go through the tutorials. If that's specifically if you are also a beginner programmer. But if you know your programming stuff, if you know your data structures, your algorithms, your stuff in maybe some other language maybe, and you've done at least gone over the tutorials of Godot, then yes, go straight to the docs, into the built-in documentation. Because for the most part, you'll see everything that you need. Even you'll see some methods are even marked as not thread safe. So if you're dealing with threads, just look at the documentation, is really nice. Hold on. One of those methods is add child. And click here. Somewhere around here it should say, does it say it? Well, it used to be not thread safe. At least in Godot 3, I don't remember. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, yeah. If you're doing tutorials, just go for the online docs at first. That's way better. The inline document, the built-in documentation. This is more for like going deep into programming. Because right now here, if you do, I think here even the same node, there are some links here. Yeah, you see the online tutorials. When you like click this online demo's not this one. Let's do this one. I think this one is from the online documentation. Yeah, that one's from the online documentation. Yeah, there's a lot of documentation that is not within the engine, but it's in the online documentation. And yeah, so you want to first go through this step-by-step tutorial specifically if you're new to programming and new to game development. Yeah. Oh my god, I have all my not be showing my Okay, we're done. We're done. Was watching Jonathan Blow recently. Oh yeah. Doing some stock options. Not stock options, just going to the stock market, looking at stuff to invest in. What did that link open in that browser though? I see. I see. Oh, yeah, you're welcome, Rylan Goldman. Yeah, no, don't worry about it. I mean, you're welcome. But yeah, the built-in documentation. This is mostly for when you're dealing into the details of what you are working on. Because not everything is gonna be shown in the tutorials, and sometimes you need to do weird stuff for your game to work like you want it to, and that's where the built-in docs. And the built-in documentation is also like everything you see here. It's also in the online documentation. So if you want to stick with with just using the online documentation, you won't miss anything, as long as you are looking at the right version. As long as the version of Godot and the version of the online documentation you're looking at is the same. Because all of this information that you see here is also pulled or pushed into the online documentation. And hold on, I can show you this too. Docs. Open out the online documentation real quick. Of this. You search for node here. Then hold on really quick. Do you see like this inherits? This is the online documentation, obviously. See this inherits? It's the same. This is exactly the same. Inherited by. Here you will see like only engine code. But here, if you have some classes that extend node, for example, I have a few that extend node, you'll see them also here, your own scripts. Here you'll only see like the baseline nodes that you get. Like only the engine code that's inherited node. And everything else is the same, like base class for all scene objects, like you see. This documentation, the one you're seeing here, is a little bit. No, it should be the same as this one. It's the same, yeah. Should have unique names. Should have unique names. Everything is the same. Even down here, you go. You won't see. Oh yeah, even the tutorial links. It just shows up here as online tutorials. In the properties table is much nicer here. But it's just, everything is the same. Auto translate. String. Yeah. So yeah, even if you want, even if you only want to stick to the online documentation, you can do that too. Okay, I need to reset all this stuff because this bug has been driving me crazy. Let me restart this. Okay, let's try this again. This time, gosh, let me just step through what's happening again. So we go here. We want a new name. Oh my god, I have the enemies turned on. No, I don't want to die. Enemy chase. Everyone, go away. No enemies, nothing. Okay. So we start. We run. Then here, this is the bug. Oh my god, I don't know why this is happening. Oh yeah. Wait, I just remembered. Yes, I forgot. I know what's happening now. What's happening is that when device type manager, this function call, it assumes that we are this. Oh gosh, here. The update internal update last return type. Well, this should be a flag, false. Now here, if the update, this is true, then we want to track the last. This is the bug that has been driving me so crazy. And here. Okay, let me just quickly scan this. Now when I do this, that's it. That is it. Oh my god, so beautiful now. No bug. I can read the sign. Oh yeah, finally. That was driving me crazy. I hate dealing with input bugs. Oh my god. This one bug like 5 hours. I spent like 1 hour, like 2 hours yesterday, 2 hours the day before, 1 hour wait, how long have I been streaming? 40 minutes, like about 4 hours and 40 minutes. Because the AI was like, oh yeah, you need to make this change. I was like, no, bro, there's something else going on here. Like this AI just did an awful patch. Gosh, and I was like cleaning it up. I was like, no, this is bullshit. And what's happening is that initially when I made this class, yeah, what's the logic bug? Yeah, initially when I made this class, I expected this function to only scan the input events. So it should not scan anything else, just the actual input events. And then when I created this other class, where is it? Device type. No, not device type. Device texture generator. This one, I think. Yeah, this one. Here. You see how I'm looping over all the action events of the input event. A specific input map action, actually. Yeah. So here I'm calling this function just to get the input type so that I can figure out which texture to load. Whether I should be loading like an Xbox controller, Nintendo controller, or PlayStation, or just keyboard buttons. And here I was updating internally. I was updating in device type manager. I was updating the last device that it scanned. Every time. This should not be updated every time. This should be updated only when we're scanning the actual input events. Hold on. Uh, this function never update the internal test. Do not track the input events type unless this is the input is read straight from the input fallback. My God. Gosh. It's your inspiration, Final Fantasy. Oh, bro. You hit that on the nail on the head so quickly. Actually, it's both and Skyrim. Both and Skyrim. The thing is with Final Fantasy and Chrono Trigger, it's mostly turn-based. I don't like the turn-based. But I still want a top-down game that you can attack and do magic spells and stuff. And that it's like a tiny... That is an RPG. But it's more like Skyrim, but up down. Like Zelda. And everything I've been building, everything... you're on YouTube. I have not updated my YouTube links. But hold on, I can paste the link. If you're using Godot, I've already built a bunch of plugins that I give away for free. I can just give you... Yeah. I'll give you my GitHub profile. Yeah, man, I want this game to feel... to an extent like Skyrim. I cannot do the whole thing because it's way too much, but I want it to feel like a top-down game where it starts sort of like Skyrim-esque, where you just run around places and I don't know, you just find shit. You just find, I don't know, an alchemy lab and you start building your own potions and selling them and doing shit. But the word is randomly generated, so every time you start, you can you need to explore, but you'll have like some spells to find the towns or teleport towns that you've already visited, but that are scattered around the map. And here, this is my GitHub profile, and there, a bunch of the stuff that I've done on stream too. At least one of the plugins I did it almost entirely on stream. Is there. So if you go to the links, there are some other links there, but if you look at the asset library links, you can find all these plugins within Godot. If you search, if you go here to asset lib, you search, I don't know, dialogue engine. Come on, click engine. Hey, that's me. You can download this plugin. I have like a bunch of the code that I show on stream. It's for free. You can use it in your own game too. So a bunch of the systems that I'm gonna use for making my game that I've already released. Are you gonna make mounts and pets in your game? Probably not. I don't think so. That's a bit too much. At least not at first. Because I don't know if you've played Oblivion 2 and you get this skill for running faster whenever you run. Or jumping around. And you can jump higher and run faster. I want something like that in this game too. So I want it to be a bit crazy. When it comes to leveling things up. So you run, yep, you're leveling up your walking speed. I probably need to make a menu to let the player regulate how fast or how quick, yeah, they walk or run. Gosh, this bug, oh my god. Let me wrap this up. It's driving me crazy. And the joy type. I should also track the joy type. I'm not tracking it. Hold on. How is it even tracking the joypad? I think this is a bug. Wait. Ah, I see what I'm doing. Yeah, I let the internal get joy scheme. It should be fine. But it's not fine when... I'm gonna track it. I'm gonna track it. It seems like a bug. This should be tracking. Be tracking it. Yeah. Go type. Oh yeah. Okay, now this looks right. Okay, let's take a look at the diff. Get out of my face. Okay. So we do that and do this. Okay. No, this is wrong. It should be wrong because if I use the keyboard, then I use the controller. How is this working? I don't get it. Wait, I don't understand my code now. I thought. Wait, no. No, hold on. No. It should not be working like that. Why is it working? Hold on. Where? Oh my god, where am I updating this value? Gosh, really? No. Last returned input type be fine. What the hell? When I good at Godot, I plan on making an actual game where the graphics progressively get worse, sorted, turning into... Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Nice. Although PS2 based graphics, that seems like way too good for making it then look worse. Are you sure about that? Oh, that sounds cool, like a cool idea. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the game should be close to PS1 graphics, but a little better. I don't know if that makes sense. Because it's like selling someone, I don't know, a AAA game, and then when you start playing it, it devolves into a I don't know, Nintendo game, really old Nintendo game, like a NES game. It's a cool idea though. I really like it. You can do a lot of weird stuff with it. Like talking about eras or talking about something in the past that is affecting the future. Some time traveling stuff. Oh, wait, no. If you actually switch graphics in some portions, that doesn't sound bad at all. Because it gives the player a different context. So when the game looks good, they can do some things. And when the game looks like a PS1 horror game, they can do other things. Oh, that's starting to sound like, what game is it? Most detailed game on PS2 is GTA 3. Okay. I don't remember PS2 graphics at this point. I never had a PS2. I did play some PS2 games. GTA 3, was it one of them? It was just... Wait, what's Vice City? Vice City, a PlayStation 1 game? I don't remember. Oh, PlayStation 2 game. Wait, let me take a look at this again. I don't know what's happening here. I mean, if we never update this, how the hell is device texture path generator actually generating the... Oh, because it doesn't need it. We don't need to track the last event. So this is deprecated code that's been sitting around for a while. I don't need this anymore. Wait, I need it for the input event action though. Wait, do I? Hold on. I'm just gonna remove all of this. I don't think I need this anymore. Wait, I'm gonna hit this flag. Okay. I'm gonna hit a problem here when I use the controller. Ah, this here. This is an input event action. Yeah. That's what's going to happen now. Yeah, that's what's going to happen now. This bug. If I do this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's the warning that happens. That's... Well, I need to track the last input event type. Actually... No, the function needs to be used in both contexts. Let's split this different function. One for tracking. Is this hold on. When here. This is wrong. This looks awful. Be like track input event. Oh yeah. You should have two different functions, one that tracks and one that yeah, one that tracks and one that updates the last input of it. I mean, one that just does the mapping. Sanity will determine the graphics, and it can go to negatives. You'll see more graphical glitches, artifacts. Oh, okay. I see. That seems like the sanity, a little like the sanity, sanity property in Outlast Trials. The more crazy you get, the more crazy stuff you see on screen. That's cool. More graphical glitches and artifacts. I'm curious about the story then. Are you going to add a story to explain that sort of explains what's happening, or is it gonna be like, nope, just stuff is happening, you don't know what's happening, but this is life, this is what it's going on, and you're just gonna like bulldoze yourself through what's happening? Bulldoze yourself through, that's such a weird phrase. More like, oh, power through what's happening. That's what I wanted to say. Where's my phone? Go back real quick. So in the blueprinting stages, I still have to master Godot. All right, gotcha. Yeah. I'm the same with my story too. So I have some stuff that I know I want to add. I don't know if you can hear me touching the microphone. I'm like fixing it. But yeah, I have some stuff that I want to add that for sure I want to add. But don't ask me how the story is gonna evolve because I don't know yet. Like I know I know the feeling I want to give the game. And that's the feeling that I'm trying to get to. And if I get there, I will be happy. And and I don't care much about the story as long as it has certain touches to it that I want it to have. But other than that, I'll probably just go to a publisher and be like, yo, this is what I got. Can you help me finish this? I need art. My art sucks. And I need sound. I don't know. I'll probably go first the indie route. I'll go on Reddit and try to find people they want to help for art and sound. I want to do all the coding, so I don't want anyone touching the code. At least most of it. I don't care if they touch the art portion of it to an extent. At least just to integrate the art, but then I want to tweak the tiny changes to make the game feel like I want it to. Okay, this, I don't like this. Let's just go raw. Let's go raw. Get tree. Get root. Window input. Connect. I want this to be very specific to what's happening. I know. I don't care about success of this connection. Now this is gonna be then here. And here, drag input event type here. Now this makes sense to me. This looks so much better than here. Oh yeah, so much better. And we do the mapping. If it's fine, yep. Then here, I know none of this should be. This should be here. No, I have a bunch of art that I bought. And I bought it because I want to create. It's mostly just to make sure that I like the feeling of what I'm making. Right now, I have this asset pack that I'm been using for testing and debugging. But I don't think this is gonna be the final art at all. I like these bushes that you see. I like the bushes, but look at the floor, the grass. Bro, it's one color. I can do that. If there's art that I'm using that I can do, fuck it. I don't want it. I don't I don't want it. So there's some stuff like this barrel. I like this barrel. I might use it. I'm not sure. But I have a bunch of other art that I might use too. But I do like this barrel. So no, I don't do the art myself at all. I plan to pay for it. I'm too picky about the stuff that I do. And if I start to do art, I'll probably never finish the game. Because I'll be like, no, I can do better. No, I can do better. No, I can do better. And I'll never stop. Never. So no, I'm just gonna buy the art. I'll probably do some touch-ups to some minor stuff, but I'm not an artist at all. And there's yeah, I have some other art that I'm sure I'll try to use, or at least I'll try to give the game the best feeling, or to make it closer to the feeling I want it to be like, so that when I show it on, when I go on Reddit, which is gonna be soon, not sure when, probably early February, I'll probably about a lot sooner actually, because finding people is hard. Yeah, at least before I show this to a publisher, so I want to go with a publisher anyway. I'm sure that I'll have something closer to what I want, at least art style. But I'll probably discuss the art style with the publisher too, if I don't have an artist by then. Because if I have an artist and I like what they're doing, they're gonna be the lead. The publisher will have to find artists to help my lead. Otherwise, I don't want the publisher's help on the art if they can't find anyone. I mean, I'll just have them pay for my current artist and that's it. Okay, so let's go back to fixing this. So this is specifically for mapping the event, the input event to its type. And here we do the tracking. Here we do the tracking. If the input event is an input event action, we don't want to do anything. Here we assume don't do anything. This event is probably fired. It's most likely fired by Gamepad Manager. There's no need to update track the device just right. So here here I'm just gonna do class return type. Actually, I can just, I don't need to have another variable here. Just do this. For scanning anyway. Oh wait, no. Oh, that's right. This is something else that I did. I was tracking. I have an input device to input type map. So the last, oh my god, I've been using deprecated code for a while. No, what I really want to do here is get this. Do this with go get the device. device. Then return. Now I can track everyone's device. It would work. Okay. Let's take it for a spin. This should work. This should be fine. Now if I push on the keyboard, press any button. Oh yeah, push the controller. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is so beautiful now. Everything works. Everything works. No bug, no bullshit patch from the AI. Ah, beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right. Finally. Oh, hold on. Let me check the track function. Right now, when I run it, hold on. I think if you, this is a warning. Hold on. Let me just run with this. Right now, no. The error that you see here. I should look into this because that wasn't happening, I think. But yeah, anyway, the warning that you see here, that's just my own code right now. If you see here the this.gd, that's just me. I can also scan it, and I usually, for my warnings, I usually add the class that is just giving me a warning, so that I'm sure that if it's an engine class, then it's probably an error from Godot, and I need to look deeper into what I'm doing. But in this case, this warning comes from my own class, and it's just trying to generate a path for a specific device type, but it doesn't know what that device type is. And the debugger, is this the same message? Device texture path generator. What you see here in this tiny screen is the same thing as the debugger. Not always. Usually in the terminal, you'll see some error messages that do not show up here. But that only happens if it's too early into Godot or too late into Godot. Like when you're spawning the window, sometimes you'll see some errors here. And those errors need to be reported. And actually report those or fix those in the engine. Lately, I've been reporting more than fixing because the game, I think Godot already has mostly what I want from it. And the errors were not my fault either, so I just don't want to look into them. And usually don't have any long-term repercussions, at least before the next stable version. And not for myself, because I can patch the engine, revert it to another version. Here. This looks good. Looks so beautiful. Oh my god, finally. Fix. I'll remove. Just clean up. Deprecated. Input type tracker. Tracking code. Was glitching. Device texture. Path generation. the artwork 8x8 bigger? Yeah, it's bigger than 8x8. The one that I'm using, it's 16x16 if I remember. Let's take a quick look, really quick. It's just like, no, it's actually top down. How does a top down player? This right. HM1. We have, yeah, this is 16x16. Actually, is it? No, I'm pretty sure it's, I don't remember. Hold on, what's the frame? I'll take a look at the frame. I don't remember how. Oh wait, no, I have them here. You have this texture. Oh, easy. Oh, 16x20. 16 wide, 20 pixels high. I do not want to do math in my head. Because my brain is not working, stop braining. Still broken from fixing this patch. Ah. Okay. What else was I going to do here? Oh, well. I started with the purpose of fixing this bug and I'm done. So now... Oh, I did wanted to do something in one of the plugins. Because a bunch of the... Usually, I just want to give this away for free. Defense manager. Oh no! Not that version of the engine. No, no, no. Okay, good. Let me just clean the whole thing. Give me Fortune 1. Because usually the achievements. Hold on. Here, the achievements are shown on the bottom. Yeah, this demo has them showing up in the bottom left corner. And I want them showing up in the bottom right corner. I just want to fix this really quick on this. So that people have the code. That's what I'm doing on my project. I am... Where are these? Oh yeah, it's the plugin not working properly. It should work properly. Okay, go away. So what I want to do is achievements station UI, I think. Some move child, this one. Yes, I want this. Okay, I need to move, add this here. Yes. Right. Wait. Thing. On this to avoid displacing achievement from its current position. We clean. Then here I need to change the settings of and then when it's vertical. I don't remember. Hold on. Push this. Here. I want that. I want it. If I do, be vertical, right? Yeah, vertical. I forget the settings. Okay, let's just start Godot here. Ah! Through the window. Okay. Run notifications. Yeah. No, it's this. Someone here. Oh, the reverse fill. Oh. This option is not visible on Godot 4. Oh, that sucks. I don't see it here. This is the old version of the engine. Oh no. I cannot give the code for free because there's no reverse fill. Is there? Hold on. Just do flow container. Maybe vflow container has the flag. Does it? Actually try it. vflow container. I don't see any properties here. Maybe it's undocumented. Alignment. Oh no, there's no reverse fill. Fail. Reverse fill. Reverse fill. How to say that word? Oh my god. I don't know how to say the word fill. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Yep. Nope. Cannot do. Oh. I want to keep this code compatible with the old version. I'm just not gonna release this. Go back into the grind. Okay. Oh, God. Need to kill it. We're both running the same project. That's not good. Go out. Get out. You two, get out. You're running the wrong board on the LSP server. Okay. Clean. I'm gonna take a look at my to-do right now because I don't remember. Oh yeah, I had something that I wanted to look into. Gosh, let me profile this real quick. Here. It's a big spike that's happening. It's a lot more visible recently. Is it happening now? Sure. Take a look at the profiler. How to start. Let's do this. Here. Oh, there it is. It happened. This spike. What the fuck is happening here? I remember it was my Umami client, I think. See. Oh, that looks fine. I need to go back maybe. Oh, there. What the hell? That's way more than one frame time. I mean, more than one. About 60 frames per second. There's a bunch of stuff happening here. Process time is eating. Yeah, it's in process. Nothing to do with the physics. So here. It's not the changing of the scene. Because this is not it. I mean, there are some awaits here, but stuff is happening in the background, so this is not what I care about. Hold on. Let me replicate the bug. Yeah, just here, just in this scene. You'd see a spike. Oh, there it is. I think I just saw it. Again. Wait, was it at the very beginning? Hey. Or this spike. I think it's this spike. So hard to see at the very beginning. Hold on. Let me just run the title screen and then just wait. I think I'll be able to see it. It happens anyway. There, I think it's this spike. Gosh, why is it stopping? I don't want it to stop profiling. Continue. There's another spike. Another spike. Okay, I have 3 spikes I can look into. The ones down here are probably nothing, but this one bothers me. Wait, where is it? It's in process time. Has to be somewhere in the description. Wait, what? I don't think multi-threaded code is being... Wait, am I looking at the right? Yeah, it looks right. $30. Am I doing anything? We're compressing. This is fine. Oh, we have a bot on Twitch. Done. Okay. This looks fine. What the hell? Where's the... Just on the graphics? It says process time. Doesn't see... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh my god. There's nothing... What the hell is this? If I take this out... No. Okay, let me just take a look at this one. It's 35. What the hell? Okay. Go away. Physics, just give me this. Just give me process time. I don't see anything. I think this is part of the bug. There's an engine bug going on with the call stacks. It's like a bad pointer. I think that's what's happening here. Nothing goes up to the 30s. Like 3, 2. There should be something more. Hold on. Yeah. I'll profile this later. There's an engine bug. I could probably look into this another way, but I don't want to. Because I know it's in my JavaScript code and I want the JavaScript parse call stack stuff to work properly, and that requires an engine patch. Okay, we're ignoring this bug. Do something else. Let me take a look at my to-do list because I have some stuff I wanted to do. Finish digging into yeah. Oh, I pretty much fixed everything I wanted to fix. Oh, then I think I'll just take a quick look at the art that I have. I know there's recent art that I bought that I can use on stream. I'll probably look into that art quickly. Okay, I'll take a quick break. Finally got that bug out of my head. Take a quick break and I'll be back soon for more game dev. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Yum 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 yum. I'm getting a quick snack I made. Ah. I just had lunch, but yeah, I still wanted to eat something. Yum yum, something sweet. I have a bad sweet tooth. Yum yum. Okay, I just realized there's a bug. Hold on. Going really quick. Oh my god, I did something I did not want to do. I was just updating my. Hold on, I updated my to-do, cleaning it up. Okay, done. Deal. Let's do this. Let's continue. Alrighty. Right, so here in device type. Oh, hold on. I just recreate the bug. Enemy chases here. Just running this. That's understandable. So what's happening is device texture path generator here. Or generating a texture for yeah, so what's happening is in oh my, I keep saying what's happening, but I don't know. It's basically not able to generate a texture path for this device because it could not find an associated input event. That's okay. Device type 0. Because the device type 0 does not exist, if I remember. We have negative and positives, I think. Not 0. So what we want to do is on device type manager, want to initialize this array. What is it? The input device to input type map. This is an array. This is wrong. Config file. Oh wait, so I was saving this. Hold on. Save this to the config file. Yeah, I do. But when we initialize it, hold on, it's wrong though. So if it has a section, it does not have. If it does not have the section, yeah. For device connected. This could be far easier. But this is fine on PC. So that means that the old, maybe hold on, let me clean up the directory. Now we run, we get a tiny window, that's fine, and no error. And we get an error. What? Hold on. You see. And device to type map. -2, 3 for device type 0. What? What's happening? I need a backtrace now. I don't know what's happening there. Okay, let's just do the backtrace here. Wait, I actually got the backtrace. Device type chain. So we say JPEG connection change. We're emitting signals. Online 160. It's emitted. Type change. So let me type. Type. Not generate path. It's not find associated input. Is this? We're mapping it. Value gets mapped. I don't like this. Fix it. Basically, what's happening is we're returning a device of type 0. I wonder if that's the input. When we're mapping this input joy scheme unknown, is that it? Although we remapped that fail. Oh, we have joy scheme. That's what's happening here. No, it's not here. It's in here. Joypad. We have the file, right? Ah, ha. This is what's happening here. If type equals input joy scheme unknown, fall back to Xbox folder. And now this should work. Now I should see no errors. Oh yeah. Zero errors. Yep. That's fine. There. And I had a print around here. This. Away. All done. Map unknown. Choice schemes. Oh wait. Yeah, that's to do here. What to do? I have a future to do. Yes, yeah. It should be a function. For real. Because I'm doing the same thing here. Nah, we need to abstract this now. I want to get bitten. And not. Yep. Up there we're mapping input events, right? But we want to map the device type, the joy type. Map joy type into a function. Make a function for this because we're using the same code multiple places. Yeah. We need to wrap this function. Because if the joy scheme is unknown, even on consoles, we want to be able to fall back specifically for that console. Fall back to the controller scheme of that console. All right, func map joy scheme device. The device, and then we return. Just return int. Basically this. Up joy scheme. My joypad device. Joypad. Oh yeah. That's it. Easy. I put this close to the other function, mapping function. Here. And here. Map. Device. Same thing. Map in. Device. Okay, joy scheme. Yeah, it was. Now this looks only one call and a specific mapping. Oh yeah. Want to wrap that around because this is not official code. This is I can remove this code, I think. Now I can just do this. Then we only need to worry about this code here. If this works, it'll work. Normally, I like it. I like it. Like then, if you use the controller, everything works fine. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Yep. Everything goes. Everything goes. Nice type. Only use within that. That's okay. Probably internal. I don't know. Give it public. Why not? Let's keep moving. All right. Now, what are we going to do? Let's. I'm not sure what to do. Let's go for it. Let's do this. Just skip. There was some other. Oh yeah. I need to do. There's so many things. I think. Also synchronize some of these changes. My template. Cursor manager. Yeah. Keyboard. Hold on. I'm gonna eat a little bit more of my snack. Oh yeah, delicious snack. Yum. I had some classes. I don't remember if I properly implemented this, but I have some randomness classes. I have like a unique. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I implemented this. They were sampling. Yeah. All right. Now, I have a bunch of stuff, really nice stuff in our code base. And we wanted to work on... Oh yeah, there's a wave function collapse. Nope, that's the lip. Wave function. This one? On the wave function collapse that I wanted to see to use. Let's see. Look at this. Oh no, this is old code. We don't want this. No. Oh, I think it's this one. One should be. Yeah, I have no idea how this works. How the wave function collapse stuff works. I have a rough idea, but I really wanna probably implement my own idea. What the hell is this? For all of God. What? Pathfinding? Hold on. Take a look at this. Initial implementation. Roll of God. The extension. What is sweep prologue? This is something new. I don't know what this is. Oh, I don't want sweep prologue. No, I don't want that. It's like another programming language, it seems. Oh. Oh, out. We're marching, phantom camera. Dude, this is so gay here. But I don't think this has an implementation of wave apps, I remember. And the icon is broken, that's sad. And it has been updated in 2 months, which was it normal? Wait, no, lying. Oh, it has been updated it was updated 5 hours ago. Ooh. Take a quick look at Gaia, really quick. I don't think it has a wave function for collapse. Just do it here. Wait, I think I had it. I actually have it here. Oh yeah, I do have it here. Reset. Cool. Wave. Yeah, there's no wave function collapse here, I think. WFC. I remember seeing wave function collapse. I think that's what I want the most. It's a bit expensive to. Train. Not what I want. Do wave. Let's do WFC. Let's see what happens with. Oh, this is the one I think I was looking at. Godot fast. This one has I think it makes use of. Oh, and this is GD extension. I don't want GD extension. Can I build this? I see. They made a wrapper. Oh, I could build this in Linux. They have a demo. They have a demo. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Wait here, right? I don't no. Here. Okay. Before spin. Oh. Go fast. Yeah. And we want to build. It's modules in it. Do we have? No. Update. There are no submodules. Then we run ascons. No, I know. Okay. There are no instructions. But somewhere around here. No. The ascon. Okay, Godot CPP. It expects it 2 folders up. Oh, I don't want it 2 folders up. I want it 1 folder up. Let's do this. Godot CPP. Here. Although I don't think this is gonna work. Let's try it. Then we go into go faster. Construct. Maybe 2. Oh, because I have it as Godot CPP, not Godot C. Wait, what? The include is weird. Is it? Oh no, it's not. Wait, am I supposed to place the bro? Where are you looking at? Oh, makes sense. Really? Was it? No? Bro. Not finding it. I don't think it's gonna work either. Fatal error. No, 3. Oh, no, 3D. I just need to build this first, do I? Time to eat more for my stack. Ow! I hit my head with the microphone. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hey, finished compiling. Okay. Now, go. Oh yeah, look at that. It's working. I'm running code and I'm not even verifying if it's hacking me. Right, complaining. What do we have? Yum, 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 yum. Oh, so wait. I need to comply. Probably did not comply. Yeah. This is not template release. This is template debug. Um, yum, 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 yum. Yes. Hey, no. Oh my god. Template release, was it? Oh yeah, there we go. I actually would like to have the wave function collapse implementation in C++. So this is not bad at all. But I would make it as a module, not as a GD extension. So I would have to rework this code if I want it to work. The way what wave function collapse works, well, little I know, is like trying a bunch of stuff, making sure it fits together. Mm. Oh yeah. Oh, there's no demo here. Correct tile data from tile map layer formats it for use with fast use wrapper. The function analyzes the tile map to identify unique tiles. Okay. I see. I'm supposed to run this. Is this an editor script? Hold on. Oh gosh, what did I do? Editor plugin. Hmm. Many lines of code here. I see. Hmm. Hold on. We're gonna take a look at the. Wait, there's nothing much here. No documentation, no links. Fix paths. Hmm. Oh, there's a build already. Already compiled anyway. Hmm. Try and run the code. I suppose. Demo. So this folder, this whole folder should be a plugin, right? Let me just copy the whole thing. Godot, fast. Do project 0. Patterns. The whole thing there, or not? And the status should only be that full. Okay. Let's see if this works. It's probably gonna crap out. I know. Like settings, plugins. Oh! Let's turn off all the GDScript stuff. Let's GDScript warnings. Let's turn all this off. Need for now. Are you? Okay, it's turned on. Now, be able to run the demos. You just die? What? Bro. Did nothing. Telling demo completed? Oh, okay. So you're just... Okay. You're just giving me a PNG. Huh? If I run this again, you give me another PNG, right? Out. Is the same image? Is it? Sometimes Godot takes a little while to copy it, paste it. Do publish it. Out. Remake it. It's the exact same image. Exact same image. So we need to add some randomness to the... Why is this an O3D? This doesn't not need to be an O3D, I think. At all. So strange. Documentation missing, which is fine. This is like a first. Save result. You have a set tile. But why not just the tiles? Ready? Okay, okay. So this is how you configure tile paths. Load is place content. Wait, this is tile map tiling though. Ooh. Ah, what I wanted. What I want. The actual tile map. No, I don't want this tile map. I want the tile map layer, not this old tile map result. I don't like this. This is the old tile map. The new tile map. That's okay. The tile. Oh, you are the one, the tile function, right? I have this color screen run. Currently non-functional, but demonstrates internet or. Oh, all right, right. Yeah, we'll need to take a look at this stuff. Oh wait. Hello, StreamHub world. Wait, are you a bot? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happening here. Rapper. I would like much. Could go C++ or I could go. I think I'd rather go. Gosh, it's probably gonna take a good chunk of time. I think I'd rather do it fast than make sure optimize the web. There's this, and then the other plugin that I saw, I think also worked. Wave function. Was this one? Give me everything you got. Give it to me. My internet crapping out on me. Maybe I don't know what's happening. Hmm. I think I'll be ending stream soon because this takes a lot more time and heavy concentration to get to work. And I really wanna add test for this. Sure. Fun. Quick look. It was this, right? Need to wow, it's Sudoku. Wait, what? That really? Ooh. Wait, why is it doing anything? Wow. Oh. Okay, this plugin has me already convinced. Damn. My god, and if I run it again, we get a different result. Should have taken a screenshot. Oh, this is so sick. I love how this works. Yeah, let's go take a screenshot. Look at this. I don't know if it's the same result, but I want different results. That's the thing. Oh my god, I love this. Screenshot. I think I took a screenshot. Oh yeah. Now we do it again. And I was taking a look at it like this, I think. See if we get a different result. Ah. This plugin is thick. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay, I don't know if this is the exact same result, so taking a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We did take a screenshot. Okay. Now go and take a look at the screenshot. So we did this. Sure, screenshots. Ah! Oh, okay. Get it here. Girl dogs. Ooh. Oh, these are different. Oh, what the hell? That was me getting killed. Oh, yeah. That was me attacking, I think. FPS. Oh. Okay, I'm really digging this plugin right now. It's already doing everything I basically wanted to. Oh yeah. This is a different. This should be a different one. Wait, and this is actually 3D, not 2D. It's actually 3D. Wow. But this was 2D. This one has support for hex and tile map layer 2. Bro, I think this plugin is complete, isn't it? Oh my god, give me the repository. Hold on. Oh yeah, I have the repository here. What the hell? Yo! My god, give me the tile map layer. Tile map layer. Yeah, give me the simple one. I want to see a simple one. Get out, get out, get out. Out. Wait, did I actually open the right one? Yeah, I think I did. Wait, did I? Yeah, I did. Get out. This one. Ooh. Oh yeah. What about this one? One. A multi-layer time lapse. Wow. Okay, got it. I don't know what this means, but let's just do it. Just do it. Wow. Rules can be learned. Oh my god, really? Rules can be learned from a terrain. Settings. We get transitions? Oh yeah. Oh, this is sick. I want this. I think I'm gonna use this plugin. Bad rules. See. I'll map dungeon. Oh, wait. Does that mean that the path that's initially devised? I don't think the initial path means anything, does it? Doesn't mean anything. It gets screwed up. Okay, tile map edge conditions. Take a look at this. And edges. Okay. All right. I will be ending stream right here. I think I found a plugin that I want to play with a lot, and it's gonna take a lot of time to get to wrap my head around it. Thank you everyone for hanging out today. If you're here, if there's anyone here, I'm not sure there is, but if there is, thank you for hanging out. I really appreciate it. If you find any of my plugins to be of use, let me know. Because I'd be happy to hear that. So I'll be back tomorrow. I have a very strange stream schedule, but I'll be back tomorrow at some point. So if you're around, feel free to come back again. You're welcome. So with that said, thank you everyone for being here. I'm logging out. See you later, guys. Bye bye.